All right, so if you've got a car that has foggy looking lights like these here, you can see they get, all plastic does this, and they get a little cloudy. As you can see here, they're getting old and rough looking, and it makes the whole car look older. So, and over here as well, you can see from the top, it's very, very cloudy. And down here, that makes your headlights not work as good at night, but it also makes the car look older. So I'm gonna take you through 3 steps on how to do it. You're gonna have a point in this project where you think you've ruined your lights. We're gonna use Cerakote, and I'm gonna take you through step 1, 2, and 3, and then you'll see the difference in about 20 minutes. All right, so this is the product we're gonna use today. I've used it on my other cars, it works great. Some people will tell you use this once and you're good for 10 years or something crazy. No, even brand new headlights eventually wear out. So you're good for 2 or 3 years in my experience. But anyway, this is the product. It's a 1, 2, 3 step, very easy. You sand them down, make them look like they're terrible. And then you put this clear coat on there and it just boom. It's like, they look like they're wet, but they're not. They're absolutely clear. So we're gonna try that today. And let's move on. Step 1. Okay, step 1, you're gonna take out the step 1 applicator. It's got like a kerosene type of base. They do give you gloves to put on there. And all you do is just rub that all over the headlight until it turns yellow, which is gonna happen pretty quick. You can see this cloudy spots. And again, this is just a cleaner. It's getting the surface ready for when you start to sand it, which is step 2. So this is step 1. You just use this until it's completely yellow. Then you get another one and you just keep going until you've stripped off all of that surface oxidation. Okay, now it gets interesting. You've got 2 types of sandpaper, a red and a green. Red goes first, then green. The red is a little thicker grit, and we're gonna rub that over the entire surface until it's smooth. A lot of goo is gonna come off of here while we're scrubbing it because we're gonna be using water as well. And then we'll do the green after that. As you can see, we've masked this off, and the reason for that is so that we don't scratch the paint while we're moving the sandpaper around. So we're gonna get it wet like this. Squirt bottle works great. And you put that on top of your little sander. It comes with the hand holder as well, so it's a nice kit. And then you just start working it out. As you can see, it's already starting to scratch up a little bit, which is normal. And you're starting to see some of the mud or the goo that's on this oxidization starting to peel away. And we're gonna do this until it's almost completely frosty. That's when you know it's super smooth. And then we move on to step 3. All right, step 3. As you can see, it's been sanded with the red and the green sandpaper. It's very smooth now. It already looks better, but this is the best part. This is the most satisfying part of the process. You just basically do a single swipe. You're gonna go down, again, paying attention to that tape line, and you just overlap a little bit. You don't get crazy with it. And it's gonna look like it's wet, but it actually dries very quick. And when you're done, you will have what looks like a brand new headlight. How satisfying. We'll peel the tape off when it's all done and give you a final look, but that's it. All right, final product, here we go. We've got the tape off now. It's got the coat on it. You can see it's dry and very, very clear. Looks like brand new. Wish the paint looked as good. But there you go, looks like a brand new headlight. That was about 15 minutes per light. And one thing I find is you can use this on more than just plastic. You can also use it on things, if you have outdoor solar equipment where it gets cloudy, it'll also work to get that back to a glass finish. So nice extra tip if you got some left over. And that's it, try it out.